Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Khembuzz Designs. To my existing subscribers, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. To my new subscribers, and if you're new here, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. So guys, I'll be making this lovely, dashing, beautiful luxury bag. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification button, and don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you and God bless you. With me today, I have a student here also learning how to make bags, so she will be helping me out. Guys, for the first measurement, which is the first body, the measurement for the first body is 6.5. This is a mini bag. This is not a big bag, it's a mini bag, a portable mini bag, lovely bag. Guys, the next measurement is the upper base. The upper base now is 2 inches. So the width of this bag, the width of the bag is 8.5. That is the width of the bag. Now, the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to measure the flap. The flap measurement is 4.5. That is the flap measurement. Like I said, we're working on mini bag. So, the next measurement after the flap is the second body. The second body measurement is 6.5. Guys, please, this is the first part of this tutorial, which means that this tutorial has a second part. Please watch the second part of this tutorial for better understanding, for full knowledge of this work. Please go to the description and copy the link for the second part. Like I said, watch the first part and the second part for better understanding. Guys, this is the second body. So basically what I did was I actually gave it a little bit shape. You know, I don't want it to be a straight shape, so I just had to shape it a little bit just to give it that, you know, that beautiful look. So I'm just gonna do that to the first body, and I'm also just gonna do that to the second body as well. So guys, the flap, I'm just gonna give it a little bit, you know, shape at the tip. I don't want it to be sharp, I don't want it to be straight, so I'm just gonna cover it a little bit at the tip. Guys, the next thing is to take my presser, just to use it to give the up base, you know, that's how I put it, just that folding, you know, mark. So guys, this is the result of what I was doing earlier. So the material used are, I'll be making use of bag hook, I'll be making use of magnets, I'll be making use of animal skin leather, synthetic. I'll be making use of this black animal skin, and I'll be making use of this, you know, this gorgeous gold leather. They are all synthetic materials. I'll be making use of this leather board, which is called chipboard. I'll be making use of this gum for my job. So guys, this is a well detailed, bag making. Guys, please watch this tutorial to the end. If you really want to do it more than what I am doing it right now, please kindly watch it to the end. And also don't forget to subscribe. Guys, so now what I did was I just, sketch out, the flap, the upper base and the second body on, the letters. So I'm just going to fold that, that is going to be the inner part of the bag. Guys, I'm not going to apply any letterboard or anything to it. So I'm just going to, after applying the glue, which I've already done, so I'm just going to glue them together. Guys, now what I'm doing is I'm gumming the other part of the body, which is the second body, on the leather. So this is the inner part of the other body, which I've sketched on the leather. So I've already added gum to it. So I'm just gonna, just gum them together, just like that. Watch out for the outcome. Guys, I've done a tutorial regarding this handle. Guys, you can always go to my videos and watch the full tutorial of this handle. Basically, guys, I'm not going to be doing a full tutorial on this handle. I'll just show you a little bit of the handle. If you want to know the full, you want to have a full knowledge, you can always go to watch the full video. So guys, this is my puncher and hammer. So what I did basically, I just highlighted the middle where I want my puncher to be, where I want the hole to be. So I'm just using my hammer to open a hole with my puncher. Guys, I'm done with the gluing part. So basically the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to take the inner part and the outer part, just to glue the top a little bit, because I want to actually fix my magnet. So for the measurements, I'm using 1 inch length, 1 inch width. Guys, this is the pocket I'll be using that for the back of this luxury bag. Basically, guys, I've already drawn the pattern. I have this pattern in one of my videos, so you can go and search for the video and watch how I was able to get this pocket pattern. So guys, basically guys, I'm just adding a little bit gum to it. Then I'm just gonna put I've already gummed my lining to it. Now I just want to look for the center of where my pocket is gonna be, where I'm gonna be stitching it. Guys, I'm just gonna stitch the top of the pocket. Now I'm stitching the pocket to the main body of the bag using a flatbed machine. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. Please guys, like I said, make sure you go to my description and copy the link for the second phase of this tutorial. Please watch the second phase for better understanding. Please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share my videos. Thank you and God bless.